With all the plates served, it's now time for these trendsetters to decide what's hot.
How's the burger?
It's good.
Yes?
And what's not.
I could have made that at home.
With the ballots tabulated, the aspiring chefs will now learn whose dish proved most popular.
Okay, here we go. The hero, with over 51% of your votes today,
Vegas, here I come.
the best dish of the Alhambra High School lunch.
There's nothing I would like more than to fly to Vegas with Chef Ramsay.
Boys and girls, the hero of the Alhambra High School lunch is Julia!
I am so excited. I'm more than excited. I'm ecstatic. I can cook. Not only can I cook, but I make my food taste good.
Oh, thank you, Jesus. Julia came out of the woodwork and just surprised everyone. Competition is getting fiercer and fiercer by the minute.
We're off to Vegas.
Yes.
You've got 30 seconds to choose one of your teams coming with you.
Julia's standing there and she's just looking at us. And I'm just like, oh, just say my name. Just say my name.
I gotta take.
I immediately knew Julia wasn't going to take Rock or Josh. She was going to take a girl. So I was like, pick me, pick me.
Jen. I gotta take Jen.
Jen, ladies and gentlemen! Okay. The rest of you, we've got some very boring, really horrible tasks back in Hell's Kitchen. Jean-Philippe is waiting for you. Now move your ass. Let's go.
I don't know what we're gonna get to do when we're there. I mean, it's Las Vegas, but I'm ready to do whatever it is that we're gonna do. I'm so happy!
And if a trip to Vegas isn't enough, Chef Ramsay has another surprise.
Ladies, you didn't think we were going to be traveling commercial, did you?
Wow. We just sit anywhere?
Cheers, my dear. Cheers, my dear.
While Julia and Jen get a taste of the high life, the losers are being grounded with Jean-Philippe.
We're gonna have to vacuum the restaurant, and then afterwards, steam cleaning, and then a bit of ironing as well.
Everything we need for the dining room is in this bag?
No, I have 10 more bags.
10 more?
Yeah.
Wow.
So, action.
This tank is for dirty water
Wait, there's a
recovery.
vent.
Add anti-foam
Turn it.
here.
You wanna go look at it real quick?
I don't know how to work that, do you?
Rock, you ever used one of these before?
I can
No,
spray.
dog. You on your own.
Jean-Philippe.
Yes, my friend. You got a problem with this machine, don't you?
Yes, I do.
Hey, you know what, Josh? This is no rocket science. It doesn't work with solar energy. It works with electricity. You just turn it on.
For chefs, we belong in the back of the house, not in the front of the house for them reason.
Whoa.
If it's a chicken bone, just pick it up. You're shorting out or something.
Damn, why aren't we in Vegas right now?
Oh my God, we're in freaking Vegas, baby.
Jules, look it! Oh my God, so beautiful. Look at right there.
Green Valley Ranch is huge. I just could not believe it. One of us 5 wins the position of a chef here.
Whoa.
Jules, you see the kitchen?
I know. Look at the do we each have a room like this? Look at this.
Oh my God, that cleanses your booty.
Yeah, what? Yeah, rear cleansing. This is actually. Oh wait, front cleansing too. The Green Valley Ranch was really nice. It was amazing, you know. So I'm doing everything in my power to make sure that I do get this restaurant. It's a chance to do something that nobody in my family has had the opportunity to do yet. Yeah.
While Rock, Bonnie, and Josh work late into the night, Jen and Julia get worked on at the Green Valley Ranch Resort Spa.
I know that I could get used to living like this. I got scrubbed and rubbed and massaged, and I feel really good.
I really think we should try to iron on the table.
Okay, try it.
What do you think?
I don't think it's a good idea.
Why you have to get an attitude?
I'm not.
I'm just verbalizing my thoughts.
Attitude. I said, okay, try it. Rock just has this temper. He just blows up at you for no reason.
How do we fold this?
I have no idea. Apparently, I'm the nanny, so
I wonder, can we? I know you should know how.
I don't do laundry.
You don't do laundry. You don't change diapers. What do you do?
I cook for the most part. I'm a chef. I cook dinner for them every night, dumbass.
A new day begins in Las Vegas, and Julia and Jen head off from the Green Valley Ranch Resort to its luxurious sister resort, Red Rock, to meet a special guest.
Morning, ladies. Somebody special I want to introduce you to, yes? Heather, Julia, Jen.
Hi.
This is Heather. Congratulations. Take us through.
Welcome to Terra Rosa. I was praying to God that I had the chance to meet Heather on because she is such an inspiration.
So this is my restaurant, Terra Rosa. Obviously my prize. I have some dishes for you guys to try.
Nice.
Wow, that's good. That's good. What's your edge on Virginia? Virginia was a great competitor, but I wanted it so bad. You gotta remember, these people are gonna be in the end with you. Keep your friends close, bring your enemies closer.
Heather gave me good advice. What she told me, I'm going to carry with me throughout this competition.
Ladies, I'm going to spoil the fun. We've got a very, very busy service ahead of us this evening, yeah? A lot of work to do.
Yeah.
You've been amazing.
Getting to meet Heather just really let me know it's anybody's game. Nothing is impossible.
Thanks a lot. Take care.
Bye,
Wow.
As Julia and Jen head back to Hell's Kitchen, Josh, Bonnie, and Rock must prep for tonight's dinner service on their own.
Feeling lonely, stuck with the boys?